We decided to be a little interesting, and we're going to stick stickers on the back of our camper because we know that's tacky and lame, but we like it. So there's that dinosaur park we went to, and then there's the bear country.
You like it?
I do. So here we are out at the boondocking site from Boondockers Welcome.
We have a lot of
really good view of the mountains. So the way these blinds attach to the weighted piece of metal on the bottom here, got a little piece of plastic that's stapled to the bottom that's folded over this, and it fits in that ridge. The problem is nothing prevents it from just being pulled up and out. It came out with very little pulling on it. It just came out. So there you can kind of see it. It's already pulling through right there. Now it's attached, but nothing prevents that from just pulling out. So I went ahead and got two different types of dowels. This is 3/16 and this one is 1/4 inch. I'm going to see which one fits best, but I'm going to run a dowel through that, and that should prevent it from slipping out. So it looks like the 3/16 inch dowel was the best fit. And now, as you can see, it keeps that plastic down, so when this is pulled on, it can't pull out. See that? All they had to do was put a dowel so that it doesn't pull out. So now I'm going to just cut these dowels short so that the right length, put the caps back on, and now these blinds can't get pulled off. In fact, you can already see the issue on this one over here just from having the window open and the wind blowing off of it. It literally fell off. Put the dowel in all three of the blinds that are like this so that this won't be a problem. So I'm just sliding this in down a little bit, break it off, then put the cap back on, fixed. Now the rod won't pull off. I used the 3/16 inch dowel, and that worked perfectly for resolving the issue with those falling off the blinds. This screw is stripped. There's nothing holding it in place. It's completely loose. It just completely fell out. There's not even a beam or anything back there to attach to. This is solid. There's a solid board right here underneath this. This is soft. This is solid. Instead of putting this into nothing, they should have screwed them up to this and hung it this way. It will hang that way. It can hang this way or that way. They should have hung it that way. Well, like that. And then it would have been going to something solid. Instead of this paneling right here that has really no strong support, it's now bolted, it's now screwed right into the framing that's in the cabinets, and very, very sturdy. So we're going to hang it this way. There we go. One blind hung correctly and made so that the bottom thing doesn't fall off with the dowel. Alright, so if you watched the Clear Lake video where I tried some really, really hot jelly from a person that sells at the farmer's market here in Newton, the name of the person is Nancy's Canned Creations. If you watch the Clear Lake video, you'll clearly see that the last spicy Carolina Reaper jelly was a bit on the hot side. So I went to her again and I said, do you have anything, what's your next step down? And so she sold me this triple threat. Got habaneros, ghost peppers, and scorpion peppers. So that's what's in the triple threat. So we're gonna give this a shot. Now I will tell you, I've cheated a little. I did try this the other day and it actually seemed very tame compared to the Carolina Reaper. What was that called? Was it just Reaper?
I don't know.
Anyway, watch the other video. So let's give this a shot. All right, and we have milk, right?
We have milk.
I'm sorry that I have a speech impediment. Can't help it, I was born stupid. So you can see all that spicy goodness.
Are you gonna die?
Nah.
You're dumb.
I like this. This is good. Here I am enjoying my very good triple threat spicy jelly from Nancy's Canned Creations. I'll just get this over with. Too soon to say, but it's safe to say it's not even close as hot as the Reaper jelly. Still has a little bit of a bite though. So that is actually really doable. Tastes good. This is perfect.
I can tell it's hot.
Yeah, but it's the right kind of hot.
Oh, okay.
It's just enough to.
You
let
shouldn't
know you're
have to
alive.
breathe heavy when you eat something hot.
So that is my review of this spicy jelly. You definitely want to try it. I think you will enjoy if you like hot stuff.